So before we go to the audio testing of the speaker, I'd like to talk a bit about how I think about the build quality of the speaker. So, because the speaker is very cheap priced, they need to cut corners. And you definitely see it in a few places. The build quality, I already talked about it, is not the best out there. But also, I did notice with the fabric cover, it's very thin material, but also they glued some of the holders inside the speaker, but only a few. And those also break off because I wasn't able to get the cover off without it. But that's really weird. Like the other holders, you can even see it here, they have no glue on them. They are pretty much glue free. So there's another thing that I also noticed is that the screws of the main drivers, they were not tied out. So this means that you do have some air leaking on the speaker if you buy it new. But also some of the screws, especially this one, it barely has his head on it. So they really almost like let me zoom a bit in. You can really see it like it's almost gone. There's like nothing almost left of it. Pretty weird to see. So yeah, again, it's not a bad speaker. It's fine sound, and yeah, let's just do some without cover testing. But be aware that because this is really built to be low priced, you definitely have this kind of cutting corners. And while I do think that the main drivers look fine, and even this tweeter, the passive radius are a bit hidden on the sides, it's just pretty clear that this speaker is really built to be as cheap as possible, but still make some profits. And again, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but especially with this like partly glued fabric cover, some screws that are not great anymore, and even like the main drivers, I had to like screw them down myself. So yeah, it can definitely be better, but again, at least the sound performance is good enough for its price range. So let's go to some testing without this cover.
Wird aus dem Grau ein Zeichen. Ich stolper nicht, ich tanz mich vor. Kann deinen Schatten reichen, Liebe im Körper. Zieh mich hier rein. Liebe im Körper. Lass mich nicht allein. Liebe im Körper. Ich brenn so fein. Liebe im Körper. Du bist mein Refrain. Du bist mein Refrain. Slow talk from a bold town. Mama said, boy, keep your heart clean. So I keep it low like a back road dream. Hey now, feel that sway. Good loose, let it stay. One more mile, then I'm home. Same old dirt, new stone. Texas time, roll on. Texas time, roll on. I stay cool, I stay gone. Texas time, roll on. Texas time, roll on. Texas time, roll on. When the nights get long. Texas time, roll on. Tailgate stain from a summer rain. Smoke from the pit on the Friday lane. She likes my laugh and my worn out jeans. And my slow draw hits right between. I got faith in my chest, mud on my name. Hard times try, but they don't take me. Unter den Brücken zieht der Nachtzug an mir vorbei. Alte Steine, nasse Spuren und dein Name brennt noch rein.